I can't be the only one excited for fall nails. Let's get into these.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
So first, let's get into this airbrush machine. I got this off of an AliExpress vendor. I saw several of them on Amazon, but I didn't want to pay the price for them. I simply wanted to try it out. And this one is handheld and portable, so you don't have to do anything but charge it up. It is battery operated, and I just wanted to try my hand at some fall designs with the airbrush machine. I know Christmas is coming up, and I just have this idea for snowflakes and things like that. So what better way to get ready than to start prepping? So yeah, I received this airbrush. It is very easy to put together. I am not a gadget girl, so if it's easy for me to put it together, then I know it's easy for anybody. So I'm just putting it together, and I didn't order the airbrush paint from the vendor only because it would have gotten to me so late into the season. So I did go on Amazon and just get some airbrush paint from there, and I know with my Prime I would receive that stuff in no time. So yes, this airbrush is super cute and pink. It is very lightweight, and I think I will be able to create some bomb artwork with this system. Next up, I received this practice hand. I did want to get a practice hand that was lifelike. I know a lot of the mechanical ones just have joints and the little finger part. I saw those and I didn't really like them. And once I seen someone on Instagram using the lifelike practice hand, I had to get one. You could customize the color on it, and I opted for the one that is closest to my skin tone, but it did come with everything to connect it to your workspace. Very easy to put together. Again, I am not one for a lot of instructions, so if it's easy for me to put together, I know anybody could use it. I did utilize brand ambassadors, and I know with doing those intricate sets and things, that takes a lot of time. So I was like, sometimes I want to create at night when I'm just at home and I have a set in my head. So I was like, this will be good for 9 p.m. early morning when I just want to practice and I don't really have a brand ambassador on my schedule, because a lot of my practice time I don't want to do on my paying clients. So this practice hand was so easy to put together. I'm just figuring it out. I did put that part in the wrong. I was hooking it up wrong, but like I said, it's so easy to figure it out. Once you look at the pieces, it's only 3 pieces. Bam, bam, bam. You tighten it up, put it on your workstation, and she is good to go. I absolutely love it. Now, the practice hand did come with a bag of regular nail tips, but you do have to order fingernail inserts. So these nail inserts, with your nail tip, you won't be able to glue them directly on the practice hand just because of the shape and everything. So you have to create a nail bed so that you can do your work that way. So these just slide right into the groove. They are already pre-cut, and then you can cut the tip off to make them square like an actual nail bed, and then just place on your practice tip that way. So I thought that was really neat because it's easy for cleanup. You could just pull that whole fingernail straight off. I have used this practice hand time and time again since receiving it, and I absolutely love it. She is so cute. Look at the details. It is very lifelike, and yes, make sure you guys invest in one of these because it is perfect. And for the moment I have been waiting for, my Beetles package arrived. As you guys know, I am a Beetles Gel Polish brand ambassador, and I received all of these great polishes. These are several collections, so as you guys know, I have tested out several gel polish brands, and Beetles, for the price, are my top favorite gel polishes to use. They are very pigmented when it comes to color payout, and I don't have to continuously go over them for certain colors. So this collection is their liner brushes. It's just 6 of the colors, so that when I'm doing designs, I don't necessarily have to pull those colors out onto my dish and work with them. I just go straight from the bottle, and they are the best primary colors, so I have used them so much. Absolutely love them. This was a great buy when you're wanting to just add simple details to a nail and, just zhuzh it up without having to waste any of your primary colors of polish. So yes, I absolutely love these. And again, it is compatible with the Beetles art brushes that I use, so I love it. So if you are wanting to practice on your artwork and you have a hard time getting those lines really precise, I highly recommend ordering some of these and giving them a try, because it will turn your nail designs up a level. The next collection I got is the Ultimate Monochrome colors, and monochrome to me is the same thing as transparent. So these colors are like your pink clear and nude clear. They are just a polish that has a level of clearness to them. I have some designs that I always want to try, and instead of mixing my clear top coat into these polishes, I just got this set to see if they will work as an alternative. So I'm just going to swatch some of these colors. I would suggest getting them just because you never know where your creativity goes, but it's not a collection that you just have to have. And the B157, it is like the soft white that a lot of people like, so I did think this was a very usable set. I'm just going to swatch some of the colors and then we will get on to the next collection. As you can see, the color payout gives a very soft effect, so you can just use one coat of this and get the effect you're going for. I think if you apply 2 coats, it will look nice, but it may not be as opaque as one coat would look. But I absolutely love these colors, so definitely a must-have if you feel like your creative juices will allow you to use this collection. So this next collection, I absolutely was not a fan of the name, but I did love all of the colors that were provided. This is a collection that I'm going to use over and over during the Halloween season. You have your primary white, red, and black that you use in all sets. And then I saw this dotted glitter where it's just black and white dots. And I've seen several sets that have that effect in them, so I wanted to try my hand with it. It is very dense when it comes to the glitter, so I would just put some on my side dish, on my polish dish, and then just use a little bit of it. Sometimes I may take those white specks out because I did think it was all just the black specks, but I like it for what it is and I will know how to work with it. The next one was a red glitter. It definitely gives a Halloween effect, and I will also be able to use it during the Christmas season. So I was like, this color would be perfect just to have a red glitter. And then the next color is a deep charcoal, and it has glitter in it. I thought it was a bomb color to have, especially with doing coffin designs. Not coffin as in shape, but coffin as in like graveyard designs. So I thought this collection was mandatory to have. I know I'm going to use it time and time again. It has been placed to the front of my polish rack, and yeah, I'm absolutely gonna love these colors. This color was so gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it. Like, you have to see the glitter effect in it is just bomb. So here are the swatches of this collection. I will use all of them, and next collection coming right up. This next collection is a fall must-have. It is the Earth Song collection, and it's just filled with fall essentials. All of these colors are perfect to use. And one thing I love about Beetles collections, once you get into the larger numbers, is they do come with a base coat, top coat, and matte coat. And just like their polishes, those top coats are immaculate. Like, shine consistently. The matte is as matte as you would want matte to be. It's like a velvet matte, so pretty. It's not a dusty matte, and I have tried a lot of mattes. It's not that. So now I'm going to swatch some of these colors. I absolutely loved this collection for the fall time. My clients are ready for me to create, and I just know I can get some bomb plaid designs, marbles. I have done several designs, so be sure you are following my Instagram because I do post my sets in my story. Not all of my sets that I do make it to my timeline, only because I will have thousands of pictures on my timeline. So they do get posted in my story, and if you ever need any inspiration, they will be posted up there. So I have created a couple marbles as well as plaids and just bomb fall designs, and I can't wait to create more with this collection. So just like that Halloween set, they have been pulled to the front because my clients have been requesting the fall colors. So I'm just going to swatch a few more of these. I do highly recommend that you get this set. It's packed with just beautiful colors. Like, Beetles know what they're doing. And one thing about these swatches, I am only polishing the swatch stick once. So as you can see how pigmented these colors are, I cannot get enough of Beetles, okay? I cannot get enough. If you know how to polish, you cure, and your LED light is strong, you will be good with one coat of polish most times. Some of the lighter colors, the pinks, you will have to do 2 coats. But besides that, I absolutely love Beetles. Like, I can't get enough. I will have my coupon code on the screen as well as down below in the comments. And yeah, I'm going to swatch these colors, and then I will let y'all see the collective at the end. I did not swatch all of them just because some of them were normal fall colors, but these were the just custom colors that I could not get enough of. So yes, get this collection. You will not regret it. And here are the swatches. Again, I only did one coat of each polish, and the payout is exactly what it shows on the bottle. They do not deceive when it comes to colors. I absolutely love Beetles, guys. Like, if you want to invest in a good polish, get Beetles brand, period. And last but not least, when it comes to collections, I did receive just this fall must-haves. Again, I'm calling this a must-haves because it is all the basics. You get your mustards, your plums, your navies, browns. You get all of those colors. The bottles do come smaller the larger the collection, but I do feel like they are seasonal, so you don't want to have more polish than you need. And I do tend to use every drip of polish out of these small bottles. So once I'm finished here, we will go into spring and just get new collections. So I do appreciate Beetles for that, because sometimes you will get new colors and just have a ton of bottles everywhere. So I do love that for cleanliness. And again, I do get another base coat, top coat, and matte coat with this collection. And lastly, I cannot get new polish without getting a new set of art liner brushes. These brushes I use so much, sometimes the bristles start flying everywhere just because I use them so much. So I do like to refresh for the season. These will last me all the way through the fall and winter, and I just love how they look. They are so beautiful. They give definitely a girly touch with the crystals that match the tops, and I cannot complain. They are color coded, and each color is a different length. I just really love these brushes and the matching polish. Beetles did what needed to be done with this collection. Thank y'all so much for allowing me to be a brand ambassador for this company. And again, I will have my 15% off code down below. And if you have gotten this far, thank you so much for staying tuned to my video. I'd highly recommend you purchase something from this haul. And yes, we are about to get started with our Halloween and fall designs, as well as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So until next time, make sure you guys follow my socials.